What's up guys, I'm DJ McBuckets and we're going to do 3 sneaker unboxing and we're going to discuss the resale and retail value of these. For sneaker number 1, we're going to go from cheapest to most expensive, and here we've got, as you can see, the Nike Blazer in the white and black colorway. I really like the OG box that it comes with it. It's just one of the old-fashioned looking Nike boxes, and as you can see here, the sneaker is absolutely clean, super clean. It's got a really quality white leather with the black swoosh. Looks so great. And as you can see, this sneaker is something that you can find for $75, $80, $100 at retail, StockX, GOAT, tons of different places. You can get this for an easy under $100 for a blue swoosh. Habanero red swoosh just went on sale for $74.99. There's all sorts of great deals on this sneaker right here. And I can promise you that if you're like me and you like sneakers, you're going to wear this all the time in the summer. I've only had this for a couple weeks and I've been wearing this all the time whenever I go out, even though that's not much with what's happening right now. But the resale value of this sneaker is little to none, guys. Like, if you're going to spend $75 on a shoe like this one, you're going to get a lot of use out of it for $75. You're not going to be able to resell this anytime soon. I don't believe so, at least. But there are a couple other Blazers that will resell, like the off-white ones, but the normal Nike typical Blazers aren't going to resell for much. So buy these, wear them out, don't resell them. Alright guys, we got sneaker number 2 right here. As you can see, we got the Jordan 3 Retro SE in the red cement colorway, and when I first saw the pictures of this and it coming out, I was not a huge fan of it. Just the red and gray and a little bit of white, it did not just appeal too much to me. But now that I have it in hand and I see it, it just looks and feels so much higher quality than it looks like. It looks super clean. If you really want a red and gray shoe, this is the one to go with. I mean, the colorway is not my favorite. It's not personally for me too much. I'd rather have like the Jordan 5 Fire Reds, that are coming out pretty soon. But if you like Jordan 3s, if you like the comfort, the look of Jordan 3s, this is a super high quality shoe. It's super comfortable. The leather is so smooth and so sleek on here. Everything from the elephant print to the black, the white, and the red. It all just goes together really well, but in a way that I didn't really think it was going to, and comes with the additional red and white laces to the black ones. And if you're looking to resell these, guys, don't. That's all I can say. They made buttloads of this shoe right here. Tons of pairs for them. That's why they're selling for $150, which is how much I paid for it. I bought these at Foot Action for $150 with a discount code. And we'll discuss where I found these discount codes a little bit later, but you can find this shoe right here at Foot Locker still, Finish Line, a couple sizes left on Foot Action, Nike, multiple different places, guys. So if you're looking for a $150 sneaker, you're into Jordan 3s, this is your sneaker right here. Little to no resale value, but a super nice sneaker, super quality, super comfortable, and I think we'll see this a lot on the streets in the summer. Alright guys, and for our last and third sneaker, we've got here, of course, a Jordan 1, because why not? As you can see, this is the Court Purple 2.0 colorway, and for me personally, I'm not a huge purple guy. Purple's not really my thing, but this one is super clean. The colorways, as you can see, the purple mixed with the white and the small highlights of black on the swoosh and the laces. It just goes so well together. It just goes so smoothly. And I got these on the sneaker app for $170. It was about $182 after shipping and taxes. But the resale on this, guys, is about $230 to $240 depending on your size and whatnot. And that's on StockX and GOAT, of course. You can sell other places for cheaper or more depending on where you're selling and how much profit you're going to make off of it. But this is a shoe we will definitely see a lot in the summer. we'll see this a lot once everything starts to calm down with the coronavirus out. And as you can see, if there are any Ravens fans or Utah Jazz fans, whatever kind of purple fans you might be, these shoes are super fire. They're super clean. The quality of the leather is so good on these guys. It's so smooth. So if you got a pair and you're thinking of holding them, I'd recommend you could probably hold them, and I think they'll go up another $50 or so in the next 3 months to even a year. So that's my suggestion to you. Alright, so some of you may be asking, Mr. McBuckets, how do I find these deals? Where can I get shoes $50 off? Where can I get 25% off discount codes? The answer is simple. All you gotta do is go to Twitter. Hopefully you have a Twitter account. If not, you should get one if you're into sneakers. I highly suggest it. Then, I'm gonna give you guys 3 accounts. You can pick and choose which ones you want. Look over them first, whatever you want to do. First one, if you're into Yeezys, Yeezy Mafia. Simple as that. Type in Yeezy Mafia, you'll find it. Obviously, it's all Yeezys, it's all Adidas, but they only, what the heck? Oh, hey, buddy. Alright, where was I? That's right. Yeezy Mafia, they don't post that often. They only post when Yeezys are about to come out, when official dates or announcements have been released by Adidas or by Yeezy. And if you're into buying and reselling Yeezys, Yeezy Mafia is the account for you. Second, this is personally my favorite Twitter account out of all of them and out of any shoe app, in all honesty. It is called J23, the letter J23 iPhone app on Twitter. You follow that account, you will get shock drop announcements. You will get announcements for discount codes, announcements for sales at every different retail store there is. Foot Action, Foot Locker, Finish Line, Nike, all of them. And it honestly posts quite a bit, but I still have notifications turned on because that's how I learn about shock drops, because they announce them as soon as they happen, as soon as they find out. Anything that'll help you save money on shoes, the J23 iPhone app will help you. 3, the third and final one. I don't like this one that much because they post way too much for my liking personally, but they post every kind of shoe, any announcement about it, anything that we might have heard or sneaker companies have announced about shoes in different colorways. The Sneaker News will tell you. Just type in Sneaker News on Twitter and it'll pop up. It just says Sneaker News and it'll post everything, pictures of shoes that are going to come out, pictures of shoes that have come out, just random things about the shoes. So, alright guys, thanks for watching the video. As you can see, these are only 3 sneakers. We're gonna have some more later. The challenge I have for you guys today is if this video hits 5,000 views, 5,000 views, not likes, not comments, views, 5,000 views, we're gonna give away a pair of Yeezys in the next video. And if you guys do it, we'll talk about it more next time. McBuckets out.